Welcome to 416 North Doheny Drive, number 2 in beautiful West Hollywood, California. This is a lovely fourplex, and this unit has all original hardwood floors, a brand new gas stove and fridge, full kitchen, and it has that separate dining room with the moldings and the French doors. It is ideally situated on the western part of West Hollywood, right across the street from where Beverly Hills starts, and walking distance to lots and lots of markets, cafes, yoga studios, and so much more. Enjoy the rest of the tour, and please call or email or even text to line up your in-person tour.